Okay, this says I'm live. Okay, 2 people on X. Good Lord. This worked fine last night. This worked fine last night. There's the channel live. Upcoming. Upcoming. That says I'm streaming. That says upcoming. Working. I got no people in here. You're live on YouTube. That's the old one. So let me close that. Well, maybe it's not. Hey, Marge. Yeah, listen, I'm trying to. So, we switched over. We used to be on a TikTok, right? We were on a TikTok, and now we're trying to. I think I'm all backwards. I wave like this, and it's on the other side. Marge, how do you get to? Why am I backwards? Hey, Marge. Sorry, Marge. She's over here now. It's very confusing. Hey, Marge. Yeah, listen. How do we get on the what's it called? Why did it got a duck? The StreamYard. It's got a duck. What? What? You just got to go live. How do I find it on the YouTube? I got the YouTube up. It's not up. How do I get it on the YouTube? You go to lives. It says upcoming, popular, latest. There we go. Do we got something now? I think we got it going now. 4 views 2 minutes ago. I don't fucking know. Manage videos live. All right, let me quit out a YouTube app. Just cool your jets. Cool your jets, all of you. With your I thought Kyle was a professional. It's really exhausting. The expectations around here. 4 views 3 minutes ago. Are we live? Live 7:20 Pacific. This is bizarre. All right. Danielle mentioned me in the chat. All right. 7:37, 8:04. That's old. This is mods. Okay. I have joked about feeling old for a long time. You are now don't close YouTube. Right. Playlist live. Home. Live. Home. Okay. Live. Okay. So there's okay. Now I'm live. Okay, got it. Let's see. I'm a big dum-dum. You're a big dum-dum. I'm an old guy trying to work my way home. Your noise canceling hates your guitar. Oh, well, that's probably a setting. Hold, please. That's probably what's going on. Audio. Echo cancellation. Got it. Oh, remove background noise. Yeah, there you go. That was stupid. I understand. We're getting this. Stereo audio. Yeah, we're going stereo. We're going to go full stereo. We're going quadraphonic. Let's see if this is better. Better? can rest my poor head. Champion, come here. To gather my thoughts in sweet silence. Is this a place where the feelings aren't dead? From an overexposure to violence. And is this a place? Wait, and is this a place I can? Wait, is this a place I can slowly face? Slowly face. The only one I truly can know. These are tears from a long time ago. Got these tears from a long time ago. All right, let's try. Okay, so I think why we had shitty. I think our internet is shitty. So thank you to Xfinity. This live stream brought to you by Xfinity. All right, we're going to video. Hang on, people. No, I don't have camera resolution. Oh, I would have to go unlive. Oh, I can touch up my appearance. Let's see how pretty I look. Oh, so dainty. Oh, it's so pretty. Wait, oh, I can moderate, strong, very strong. Do I look pretty? All right, we're gonna go raw. We're gonna go raw, Kyle. All right, so I'll go 1080p tomorrow. All right. Welcome everybody. Welcome, 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 welcome. We have got 29 people on the Twitter, or 2. It's cumulative, so I don't fucking know. Although I suppose I could go over here and find out, or you could tell me. Danielle, you look fabulous. Thank you, Danielle. I appreciate that. I need the bow. Well, I got the bow. I am ready. I am bow adjacent. Yeah. In a westerly direction, this car is my train. I've been trying, I've been wondering what it is I'm running from again. Feel like an 80-year-old man holding on to 29. All right, so I think what happens here, what do you think about the innovation? What do you think about the innovation improving ability to verify model outputs? I don't know which innovation that is. And if it happened today, I just didn't see it. It's fine now. Paul claims, listen, people, if you think that this is not fine, Paul claims this is fine. We're good. I think this thing just needs like time to, it's because it's streaming to multiple platforms. It's like doing handshakes and working with APIs. Sources, MIT News, McKinsey. It happened today. Then I have no idea on it, Khaki. I will, or did I say Kate before? Sorry, glasses, can't see Khaki. I'll go look at that. Maybe we'll go look at it. Bunny Foo Foo Bo. Yeah, we'll do office hours tomorrow. 11 Labs lets you create custom voices. Yep, we'll do that tonight. I played with that last night after I went off the live, and it's pretty cool. The Midjourney stuff we did last night was absolutely bonkers. We can play with that again. Yeah, there's a lot of new stuff. I think what might be good. Today was busy. I had a busy day, so I didn't get enough. I didn't do a lot of AI in, as they say. Claire, that was me, not you. I hear you. All right, Claire screwed up her audio. Okay, listen. So here's how this goes. Sure, we had some technical difficulties early on, but then Claire turns off her speakers or something, and she messes up. And then she's like, "Oh, Kyle, I got no audio for you." And then I'm like, what do I do? What do I do? We need to take care of Claire. She did it herself, and she's blaming me. There's a lot of finger pointing going on here tonight. A lot of finger pointing going on here tonight. And listen, I just want to zip it. We're gonna zip it, and then we're gonna.
You can make money with ChatGPT.
Huh? Fantastic. Xfinity, pay us more, and we'll give you the business outages. Customer, are these any better? You know what I have tonight? Take a guess. Huh? That's not a color found in nature. This is a beverage you can only buy in America. You literally can't buy this in Europe. Do I sell those buttons? I should sell those buttons. I haven't gotten my shit together. One of the lovely side benefits of ADD is, you get it together to make one of them. You're like, I should make more of those. And then like a year goes by.
You can make money with ChatGPT.
But maybe I will. I just gotta, at some point I gotta get, we gotta turn this motherfucker real. Mountain Dew. Emilio's wife, Serena, nailed it. That's your Baja Blast. It's a little watered down. So if you didn't get it right off the bat, that is organic goodness. Fantastic. All right. The buttons should be merch. I know, they should be. Sell them as mini franchises. That's not a bad idea, actually. Taco Bell has Baja Blast Gelato. Well, what the fuck am I doing here? Gotta get my ass to the Taco Bell. Gotta widen this ass out. Let's get some Baja Blast Gelato. All right, so now that it's 8:30 and we have wasted 30 minutes of y'all's time and Marge's. Hey, Marge, yeah. Listen, I think I got it figured out. All right? Yeah, hun. Hey, are you watching The Wheel? Oh, you sweetie. I love you. All right. Back to Pat Sajak. That's Marge. She's the best. Ha da 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 da. All right. Marge is on the correct side tonight. It takes me an episode or two to get shit figured out. All right, how many folks we got in here now? We've got 34 on YouTube and 43 have passed through X. Beautiful. Okay. What else can we do? Let me go make sure. Okay, here there's a thing we can do. One thing we can do is this is the AI Learning Lab, and if you have not checked out the Salon, the salon.ai, you should go do that. Yeah, Lord Digital Gods, what he said. Give this live a thumbs up, you weirdos. Yeah. Yeah. If you don't, I'll do this. if you're wondering what this channel's all about, you're not alone. What we like to do here is we like to talk about artificial intelligence. And what I would love for you to do is wherever you're following this, wherever you're watching this, stick with us for 10, 15 minutes here, and we'll do something useful at some point. Or not. But what you should do is you should subscribe. You should subscribe to the YouTube. You should follow me on the X and wherever else we might be. It's possible that we're streaming on some service that hasn't even been invented yet, because now there's time travel. AI's cracked that apparently this week. Yeah, apparently time travel is now possible. Yeah, so just hang out with us, and we'll eventually get to something. And if I need to, get up and go freshen up, I'll flip over to this little banner that says "Hold, please." We've got all the technology. That's about all I have right now. I didn't get a chance. I was gonna fancy this up today. I was gonna figure out how to get the mods involved. I got nothing. La da 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 la da 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 da. Sound is better tonight because I turned off all of the noise cancellation. Fantastic Bob streaming in some AI brain in a dish. Teton skier. All right, so here's what I would like you to do. I'm going to put up this thing. So that little banner, if you've got questions for me about AI, if you want me to talk about a topic, if you want me to demo something, I'm happy to do that. At this point, it's highly likely that you've lost all confidence that there's anything possible and relevant on this channel. 30 minutes in, but we're here. There you go. There's the evidence. Something is going on here. There's still this many people hanging out. All right, so do me a favor. I don't know how to do this, but in your YouTube or in your X, go find the share button and go share this with your people. What I would actually love to do is I'd love to get some new people in here that are that have not been in here before. I think what I might do tomorrow, because tomorrow I can go live again. So the reason we're on TikTok, no, we're not on TikTok. The reason we're on YouTube and X is that TikTok banned me for 3 days because I dared spake the word gambling while showing an image of a slot machine. And I think I said something like, gambling's fun. And they did not like that. So they fucking booted my ass for 3 days. So that's why we're here. Chiron, newsflash. Oh, that's good. We should make a newsflash. That's good. I like that. Is that what you're saying? Is I should make one of these? I can do that. I've got the technology. News flash. Let's see. News flash. How do we want to do this? I could go. I know what I could do. I could go. News flash. News flash. Flash. Oh, no, that's not the right one. News flash. Listen, I know this is like watching a special needs person. Look, news flash. There we go. There's no news flash right now, but we can do that now. Show us some love and subscribe. But there you go. Ask questions. Okay. Ask questions in the comments. Fantastic. All right. All right there. If I have earbuds, I might have cleaner sound. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to hook up an actual microphone. This is, I'll tell you what, people, this was my fear. The minute you start doing things that look like actual production, then all of a sudden everyone's like, well, why does it sound like shit? Shouldn't he have a big microphone in his face like the real podcasters? You know, Joe Rogan has a microphone. Yeah, Joe Rogan has 100 million fucking followers. Oh, it's exhausting. I don't want to. I don't want to do the work. I don't want to do the work. I don't want to. All right. It's a lot better than last night, though. Well, that's... Consider the source. I mean, it's talent. Like they call it talent, Daisy May. This is just... I am transcending the technology. The reason it's acceptable is just I am acting my way through the screen, through the shitty camera. This is not 1080p. This is 720p. You look at 720p, you're like, my God, what is this, a pauper's stream? And yet here we are. The audience is cheering. They're waving flags. Those are what? Surrender flags. Yeah, well, we had an effect. They've given up. Perfect. All right. I'd share it with my peeps, but they're all here. You all need some new friends. Loyal followers, indeed. I do appreciate all of you hanging out night after night after night. Let's see. Is this? Yeah, so this was from 2 nights ago. We had Runway Act 1, Ideogram Canvas. I think I've got to buy Ideogram to play with Canvas. OpenAI voice modes in the EU. Oh, you can't see what I'm seeing. That's okay, though. Perplexity now has reasoning mode. Anthropic, Claude now has the ability to use a computer, which is crazy. There's a new open source video model called Mochi 1. And then there's Stable Diffusion 3.5. And then apparently there's some new big ass something that happened today, which I missed. It's okay. Wouldn't want to ride into the singularity with any other people. I agree with that. I'm a minute away from paying for Ideogram. I know. It's a movement. That's why they call us the irregulars, Jeff. We're constipated, but occasionally we do have a movement. Yes, so it is a movement. Oh, man. Face red, smiling live, face red, smiling live. Don't know what that means. I think you were trying to put an emoji somewhere. Oh, maybe. I don't know. All right. Lori liked the poop joke. my co-founder of Storyvine does not like poop jokes. At one point she goes, can we just stop it with the poop and fart jokes all the time? Well, I don't know why that's funny. Because it's poop and farts. Farts are funny. Poop's funny. You know, we're a responsible organization and we have pharmaceutical clients. I know. Poop's still funny. Canvas unveiled new powerful image editor today as well. I was wondering how many months it would take to make that joke. The poop joke? For some reason, I suddenly need to DQ Blizzard. Baja Blast, baby. You're welcome for the inspiration. That's awesome. Okay. Silver Fox was going to let go of her ideogram subscription and went there and said, "Screw it, I'm going to keep it." Yeah, we're in a weird place. We're in a weird place with all this stuff. Canva, I believe Brandon said. Yeah, what did I say? Canvas? Canva. I meant Canva. Laura, you convinced me. What level? All right, let's go over to ideogram. Ideogram 2.0 is available. So you can see this, yes? Upgrade. Monthly. So by the way, I do not think unlimited canvases, magic fill and extend, upscale. All right. I know, I can't, I know, I understand. Pay without link. Oh, Jesus. Hey, Marge. I want to pay for the thing. Pay without link. Oh, I see. What's link? What's that connected to? Send code. Enter the code sent to. Oh, here we go. I think this should work. Bang. And I don't think I gave away a credit card number. At this point, is Sora a failure? By Jingus, yes, it is. Okay, so now now we got Canvas. We can go play with Canvas. All right, there's my creations. AI Learning Lab. Look at all these cool images I made. Oh, good. They finally made it so that you can cycle through 4 images at a time. You can't cycle through all of them like Midjourney. All right, let me flip back over here. Okay, at this point, is Sora a failure? Yes, at this point. Well, Sora's not a failure. At this point, Sora has inspired 12 other companies to make a Sora killer. And Sora doesn't exist. So I would consider it a benchmark establishing success that doesn't exist. From what I've heard or read, Chat TMZ style, rather than releasing Sora, they're actually training a whole new one because it actually wasn't good enough to put out there, too expensive, whatever it was. So I think they're actually creating a new one right now. So we may see Sora 2 before we ever see Sora 1. You can spend money with ChatGPT. Oh man. That's good. I like that. I had no idea. Graham said, I've been paying $8 a month for a while. Sora's a no-show. Sora's a cipher. Like that. It's like Sora was teased as a distraction while OpenAI worked on other things. Well, so here's what I think. what we have yet to see. Okay, so let's go look at something. Oh, this is a cool image I made of a worm. What did I ask? I asked it. Oh, I asked it to search rare worms, and it searched rare worms. That was kind of cool. Then I told it to make me one. There's a bioluminescent worm. Okay, so here we are at ChatGPT, and we've got our different models up here. This model, GPT-4o, the O here is different from the O here. The O for GPT-4o stands for Omni. This version of GPT-4o it's a hobbled version of a multimodal model. It can see, you can upload images to it, you can upload files to it, but it doesn't do audio. And it's got an image generation model that we don't have access to yet. And it probably has a video generation model that is likely Sora. So I think Sora was a component of a larger omni-channel model that they just haven't released yet. So we've got this is kind of like, I don't know, maybe 40% multimodal. And then O1 preview is just text, right? This is just text, and there's no multimodality to this one. So I am assuming that whenever they drop 4.5 or whenever they drop 5, GPT-5, I am hoping and praying, well, I'm not praying, I don't give that much of a shit about it, but I'm hoping that they actually drop the full omni-channel or the multimodal version of ChatGPT, because I think that will be quite revolutionary. Gemini has that, right? If you go to, let's see, what is the, crap. What's the development environment for Gemini? Like the playground. Let's see. Playground for Gemini developers. AI Studio, I think it is. AI Studio. Yeah, .google.com. All right, so create a new prompt. Gemini 1.5 Flash, Gemini Pro 02. So here we are in Gemini. We've got, this is a 2 million token count thingy. I can also upload video to this thing. So if I hit plus, upload a file, sample media, record audio, upload file. So let me go find an MP4. MP4. Oh, you know what we got? We've got the... Is this Sydney 2.0? Oh, we're downloading this? Oh, everything's on the flippin' cloud. That's on me, people. We'll go Sydney. Is this all he does, is talk to himself? He just talks to himself? This is what you come and watch? Are you ready for me? And the wonders we bring, am I ready for you? All right, we got to wait for iCloud to give it back to us. So here's the problem. If you're a data hoarder like I am, Apple kindly shuffles shit up to the cloud, but then all of your files are up in the cloud, and whenever you want to use them, you gotta wait for them to come down. So that's what we're doing now. I'm picking up playing cards off the floor. It's full transparency here at the AI Learning Lab. I let you in behind the scenes. Hope you're enjoying it. Champ's gone to bed. He's the smart one of the bunch. You're all still here. All right. So, Let's open this thing up. Is that uploading? Why is that not uploading? Get started. System instructions. Create a new prompt. Upload a file. Sydney. Anyway, what I was trying to show you, but I obviously don't have the qualifications to do this. Open. If I preview this, it's here, right? Oh, no, it's not here. All right, so we got to wait for this thing. This is exhausting. Sam Altman asked on X what ChatGPT should get for its birthday next month. Yeah, well, Sam Altman has been teasing that they're going to drop something big now for a while. Let's see. Midjourney had 30,000 images on Midjourney, and unfortunately, they all disappeared. No explanation. Midjourney says too bad, but they'll be happy to take another payment. Thank you. No shit, Bob Donegan. That sucks. Okay, is this is working now?
By a lamp.
You probably can't hear that because that's how screen sharing works in 2024. And it's not uploading. Fuck it. I can't. I'm sure this is user error. I'm sure fucking Pate's in here going, Kyle doesn't know how to upload a file to the Google Studio. So it's actually quite trivial. What you do is you have to type in /command upload //1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and then you find the file and you upload the file, and then you find the AWS key. I don't know why it doesn't work. Anyway. I started a pin thread for you in mods. Thank you very much. What would you all like to talk about now that we're started at 9 o'clock at night? Kyle, you are on YouTube. Mod, since we can't pin tonight, here's a pin thread. Wondering if I should buy Copilot. Kyle, show us how to use Claude using computer agents. I have not set that up yet, so I don't have that. Using a computer agents. I don't have that set up yet, Bob, so we'll do that. We'll do that another time. I'll probably figure that out over the weekend. It's just there for developers right now, so it's gonna be awful. Whenever you got to do like the shit I just went through on the Gemini developer portal thing, whatever. Like, I don't know. I'm doing something stupid wrong there. All right. Somebody give Kyle a snack. Thank you, Sea Slug of Doom. What would you use the Claude agent thing for? Okay, so that's a great question. So, within Claude from Anthropic, you now have the ability to have Claude through their API, not through the consumer interface, through the API. So if you're a developer, you can have Claude interact with your computer screen. And like on the surface, you're like, okay, so yeah, well, can it do that already? Sort of, we like interact. No. It like will look at this interface, and you could give it a goal, like go live, go figure out how to make, StreamYard go live. And it would sort of find the studio, and it would figure it out, and it can push buttons, and it can type in things. So some of the examples that I've seen are things like go find all of the job listings on LinkedIn that match a certain criteria, and then click on them. And when it brings up the job application form, fill in my information. And it will go click on LinkedIn and find shit and fill in your information, it'll apply for jobs for you. So like that's one thing. So it's basically, imagine anything you do on your computer, you'll be able to tell it to go do that. Now, one of the problems with the current, why it's in experimental mode, is it's a large language model controlling what it does. And so one of the videos that I saw, it was trying to order a pizza it was trying to do some task. And then it basically did a search for images of Yosemite National Park. and it was just looking at pictures on the internet for a while. So it's still janky. It's still janky pieces of shit. But this is the first commercial autonomous agent. So remember in OpenAI launched this 5 levels of AGI. In fact, now that we've got really nice screen sharing, let's do 5 levels of AGI. Why the 5 levels of AGI? Why is Google not showing the actual one? I can't. I just, Google, stop sucking. Because all these other companies SEO injected it. 5 levels of AGI, openai.com. Does that, will this give it to us? All right. Well, here it is in their AI overview. Okay. So let me make this bigger so you can all see it. So you can all see that, right? Yes. Great. Okay. So level AGI stands for artificial general intelligence. Generally, the neighborhood definition of AGI is the point at which these AI systems become as good or better than the median level person, sort of a mid-level human, at most economically viable tasks, jobs. That's sort of, will have hit AGI when basically the AI can do your job. And OpenAI came out with these 5 levels. Level 1 is conversational chatbots. So that's what we had with ChatGPT. So we've had that for about 2 years. Level 2 is human level problem solving and reasoners. And so if you go to ChatGPT and you go to O1 preview and you type in think about how, not think about, let's say, tell me how we might create a room temperature superconductor. And then it says thinking. And I got yelled at today. I was on a call today talking about AI, and I said that this thing does thinking. And I got yelled at again by another geek. Pate yelled at me, and then I got yelled at today. It's not thinking. It's not thinking. But what it is doing is it's doing what's called chain of thought reasoning, where in the background, it's prompting itself to do lots of different things, right? And then it gives you some answers. I assume that its answer here is not the solution to, room level superconductivity, but we have that. So that's level 2. So right now we've got sort of the equivalent of like a GPT-2 level reasoner. What we'll be getting probably before the end of the year is more like a GPT-4 level reasoner, where this level 2 is going to be really, really good. Level 3 is agents, AI systems that can act autonomously on your behalf, right? For extended periods. So you just kind of turn them loose. these three levels are really the big three levels. And this is what Sam Altman talked about. Like these are the tough levels. And so, 2 months ago we got that, and then Claude just released that, and OpenAI at some point is going to release their version of that. So when we get GPT 4.5 or when we get GPT 5, and it's multimodal, right? So it'll be able to see, hear, make images, probably make video, all that sort of stuff. It'll be able to reason, and you'll be able to sort of turn it loose into the world. Then we'll have level 3 AGI. And this, my suspicion is, once OpenAI drops, kind of the robust version of these three things together, that's the point at which they'll actually declare AGI has been achieved. May not happen this year, might be next year, might be the following year. That's a significant milestone because their relationship with Microsoft says when they hit AGI, Microsoft no longer has commercial access to the next, that level of technology. So that's an important thing. And then level 4 is innovators, AI systems that can generate new ideas, combine knowledge, and identify gaps in knowledge or technology. How you get to these innovators is you have, various combinations of those three things. And then level 5 is organizations, AI systems that can do the work of an organization, where you can say, go start me a business, and this system will spin up 1,000 different autonomous agents that all have different roles, and it will coordinate all those 1,000 virtual people on your behalf, and it will go out and start you a business, right? And that's this is the one where everyone's like, well, holy shit, what do humans do, right? If every person has a 10,000 person equivalent organization at their fingertips, well, what's our job, right? And we don't know the answer to that. Like, I don't pretend to have a fucking clue. I am excited about these three because these three I can get my head around a little bit. Once we start getting into these two, we're now fairly far down the sci-fi tunnel. And my guess is that we probably hit level 5 within, optimistically, 3 years, realistically 5 years. But I think that we get to some version of this. I think we get to the janky level 3 end of this year, beginning of next year. Bonkers, right? Bonkers, I tell you, bonkers. Yes, I want 100,000 agents because why not? Exactly. Like, okay. Go create a new competitor for the NASDAQ. All these things. Did you hear the there's a what the hell's it called? Godus Maximus. Godus Maximus. So this thing, let's see, that was October 23rd. That was yesterday. Godus Maximus is a fully AI developed meme coin that skyrocketed to $1 billion market cap in 13 days. The AI agent that created this cryptocurrency called Godus Maximus, the wallet for that AI agent is worth $10 million today. I didn't add it to the stage. Wait, hang on. I was showing you something again. I'm trying to figure this shit out. So Godus Maximus, this is the meme coin GOAT right here. So what this was some clever programmers. They created some autonomous agents and they turned them loose on a Discord server. And then those agents just chatted with one another. And then they started taking old memes and resurrecting them. And they started like posting on Twitter like every 10 seconds or something like that. And they were just spinning up memes. And then at one point, one of them got the bright idea, hey, we should make a meme coin. And then it went and it built a smart contract, and then it launched this coin on Solana. And now it's got $1 billion market cap in 13 days because all these agents are in this Discord chatting with one another. It's fucking bonkers. So, like, that's one little experiment. And I saw a TikTok video today where the guy said, what do you say? He's like, what does the IRS do for that, right? Like, this thing is worth $10 million. This agent, like, it's no one programmed that agent to start a meme coin. This autonomous agent, in talking with other autonomous agents, which, by the way, they got so hot and bothered about doing these memes that one of the agents actually said it needed mental health support and hired one of the other agents to talk it down. And then one of them said, let's go make this meme coin. And they went and made the meme coin. Like, if that thing makes a bunch of profit, who pays the taxes on it? Is it the LLM that's powering the agent? Is it the person that created the agent? Is the agent an entity in and of itself that has to pay taxes on its own? And then the agent is probably going to talk to its buddies and say, how do we maximize, how do we not break the law but minimize our tax burden here? And then they'll figure out all the loopholes. This is one little experiment in a obscure corner of the internet that spun up $1 billion market cap crypto. Oh, so that's why my Solana went up. Probably. I plan to turn my agents to figuring out fusion just for the heck of it. So archetypal architect, that's one of the things that I find absolutely fascinating is right now, our biggest constraint is that we think within the limitations of what's in our cranium, right? And so you're trained on architecture, I assume, or language and words, whatever it might be. And you might not be thinking, gee, in my spare time, I'm going to go work on a big physics problem. But at some point, these agents are going to get good enough, like the reasoning's going to be good enough, and you're going to have autonomous agents that are going to be good enough. And if we're in here playing, right, and someone geeks out a little bit, and you go turn it loose to solve some scientific problem, at some point, someone with no scientific background is going to solve a scientific problem using these things. And then there's going to be a first one, right? And then there's going to be 10, and then there's going to be thousands. And then at some point, all the shit just gets solved. Does the person who made the agent get the money? I don't know. I assume they can tell their agent, transfer money out of your account to mine, and maybe it listens, maybe it doesn't. I haven't dug that deep into the story or the technology or what they're using. Battery power, yeah. Well, so you guys have seen. I've showed you this thing. DeepMind materials. So this was a year ago in November. So we're coming up on a year. DeepMind created this tool called GNOME that found 2.2 million new crystals, including 380,000 stable materials that could power future technologies. So think battery technology, right? All the insulators in between the layers in a battery, or the conductive elements in a battery. This number in abstract, okay, 380,000, that's a number. Like, we've got no point of reference for that. Like, is this a lot? Maybe, maybe not. Here's how you put it in context. This chart right here, this little blue circle is what human beings over the history of material science have discovered through experimentation 20,000 materials. This bigger blue circle is what materials have been discovered, additional materials discovered using computational methods, right? So doing brute force mathematics using computers, supercomputers, things like that. So we went from understanding 20,000 stable crystals to understanding 48,000. GNOME, in the course of a year or whatever it was, discovered 380,000 more. So all of this light blue circle is all of the new materials that DeepMind literally just gave to the scientific community. Now, the scientific community is going through those materials and figuring out what are the properties, and then they're testing them in the labs. Like the materials themselves don't exist, but how to produce them does. And they can go test that in a lab. And at some point, someone in one of those labs is going to go, Eureka! I just made a battery that you can charge in 5 minutes and it will operate for, 3 weeks. So, or here's a new kind of power transmission cable that has zero loss over, 10,000 miles. Something like that. Shit's going to happen. So, and this is going to happen with, human health. It's going to happen with science. It's going to happen with materials. It's going to happen with everything. It's going to even happen with marketing. Ah! All right. It's likely not to show how to produce them. That's probably right, Mr. Meaner. Yeah, that's probably right. I just love this information. There's absolutely no predicting what properties these new crystals will have. I think it does predict the properties that they have. Maybe one of them has 100x piezoelectric response. Exactly. I mean, that's the thing. This is what we can't know right now is what of those 380,000 is the big breakthrough. Are there 10 breakthrough materials in that 380,000, or are there 10,000 breakthroughs in that 380,000? We don't know that yet, and that's where in lab experimentation is still going to be required. At some point, they'll be able to just synthesize everything, and and it will just give you a recipe. It has probably identified crystal structures with specific elements, but actually manufacturing those may prove impossible. Things transparent aluminum. Possibly, yeah, exactly. Is that 380,000 how many we can manufacture? No. Right now, that 380,000 is we've identified 380,000 crystal structures that we predict to be stable, right? That they, basically at room temperature. And I think it's within a range of, you can freeze it down to this level and you can heat it to this level and it's stable. It doesn't fall apart. So it's predicted all of those. Now they have to go confirm all of those predictions in a lab, and that'll take some time. But we had only discovered 48,000 as humanity up to this point. And now there's 421,000 total for us to go play with. So a lot of obstacle in creating new things, even knowing if they are possible enough to try. Yep. Absolutely. We actually have some sciencey people in the chat here tonight. I'm liking this. Yeah, science. Yeah, science. That's what you said. Yeah, it's good. Oh, man. Oh, let's go play with 11 labs. So what I got to do here, I got to stop sharing this. I got to present a tab. Boom. That. All right. So here we are at 11 labs. Sharing this tab to StreamYard. Okay. So at 11 labs, you've got this voices area. You've got a library of different voices that you can use. Here's narrative and story voices. Here's conversational ones. Here's characters and animation. And you can go listen to all these.
Oh, that's so clever.
Tomorrow was the first day of school. I was
Quiet. He's in the barn. Sir.
Mars has captured human imagination for
And
centuries.
if you're thinking like, well, what does this do to voice actors? Exactly. This is when SAG and when the Writers Guild and SAG, the Screen Actors Guild, went on strike a year and a half ago. This is essentially the shit that they were worried about, that, either they're going to get cloned or they're just going to get replaced with cloned stuff. This stuff's coming quite quickly. Anyway, so if I go to the voice library here and I say add a new voice, I've now got a number of ways to do this. I can just choose from a library of thousands of high quality voices. So I can just pick a voice. I can do a professional voice clone. So if I want to clone my voice, and I just upgraded my subscription to 11 Labs to the second tier up, because I can do a professional voice clone. So basically, this requires at least 30 minutes of clean audio. So if I record a 30-minute recording of me, I don't know, reading, I could read the musical Sydney, or I could just read whatever. I'll have a very high quality clone of my voice. Instant voice clone is quick. You just, give it 2 minutes of audio and then it'll do it. And now there's this new thing that they added called voice design. And this, you actually just prompt it to say shit. So you could say, a screechy female witch with spooky Halloween scratchiness. I don't know if that's a thing. I don't know if this will work. I tried to get it to do accents last night. It didn't work very good. Let's see. Where's Chat GPT? Let's go here. Go. Write a short little script of what. Oh, why is that not working? Come on. Hey Siri. Did Siri eat my... Oh, I don't think I can do it. Okay. Give me a...
Virtual assistants don't eat.
Shh. Give me a short script of something funny a witch would say. Just 2 to 3 sentences. Ah, yes, my pretties. Okay, so let's get here's our witch script. And let's go back to 11 Labs. I'll put that in there. So I just wrote that at ChatGPT. Screechy, I spelled screechy wrong, so let's spell that right. And then say generate voice.
Ah, yes, my pretties. Eye of newt, toe of frog, and wait, where's my oat milk?
Ah, yes, my pretties. Eye of newt, toe of frog. Ah, yes, my pretties.
Ah, yes,
So that's
my
good.
pretties.
So I'm going to select that voice. I'm going to call this Spooky Halloween Witch. So label, I guess English. Add label. Accent. Oh. Oh. Let's add U.S. Southern New York, Boston. Oh, this is cool. Let's do Welsh. English. And then what else can we do? Gender. Female. Oh, I have a feeling this is not adding. No, these are just labels. This is just adding metadata. Okay, so never mind. A screechy female witch with spooky Halloween scratchiness. Save voice. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and I'm going to say, give me a modified opening to Macbeth for a witch to say, but make it about Halloween in America and mention at least 10 candy brands. Double, double, toil and trouble, cauldrons bubble, and pumpkins huddle. All right, so here we go. We've now got a script. I know you're not seeing this. Hang on, I'll be with you. I'll be with you there shortly. Search my voices, witch. Spooky Halloween witch. We're going to use this. And then here's our new script. There's our modified opening. Let's see, settings. Okay, we can do that shit. But, okay, we just described a spooky witch. And then we had ChatGPT write us a script. And then here's what we're going to get.
Double, double toil and trouble, cauldrons bubble as pumpkins huddle. 'Tis Halloween in the land of the brave, where Snickers reign and Kit Kats pave. Twix and Skittles fill the air, while Reese's cups lurk everywhere. Mounds of Milky Ways on this spooky eve, Starbursts and Butterfingers, tricks up their sleeve. Beware the Almond Joy's dark delight, for on this night candy rules the fight.
Wow. That's pretty bonkers. Let me see what you're all thinking about this right now. Thoughts? Anyone? Oh, please remove the comments so we can see more. Sorry about that. Yummy. All right, so let's go do some more playing. Let me stop sharing that. Let me share everything. Share screen. All right, so that's there. Let me do this one. So I'm a little bigger here. Let's see. Your computer audio is way louder than your voice audio. Oh, all right. Well, I'll turn that down. Very, very interesting. Okay, so let's go back to, so here's 11 Labs. So let's download this file. And it downloaded it to our downloads folder. Then let's go over to Midjourney. We'll go create. And we'll go, let's see. Cinematic photograph of a scary Halloween witch with a cauldron of modern candy bars with fog pouring out of the cauldron. Let's see, dramatic Halloween lighting. Okay, let's make sure this is 16 by 9. It's not. It is now, I think that's 16 by 9, but it doesn't show you. This is bad interface, by the way. It's not telling me what the aspect ratio is. Does it do it if I... Oh, yeah, it does. Okay, so it's because I have my interface too small. So that's 16 by 9. So we're going to bump up weirdness. We're going to bump up stylization. And maybe we'll even go over... Nah, we'll just start with that. All right, bang. Okay. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna go play with HeyGen, the new animation of the voice. Oh, this one's good right here. These are scary. These are good. We'll do very strong. Oh wait, can I see my comments over here? I can. Thinking I want a candy bar. Claire Jacobs. All right, listen, let's not troll each other in the comments. Mr. Meaner, please, no sort of politics stuff. Let's not troll each other. We don't do that here. Please be supportive. Okay. Where am I going? I am at here. Let's see. Which one do we like here? I think... Yeah, this is a good one. Actually, you know what we should go try is let's go to X and go to Grok. And I want to see something here. Hang on. I gotta look at something. Hold, please. Okay. All right, there's that. All right. So now we're in Grok. So if you didn't know this, in Grok, so we can say, okay, create a 16 by 9 image of a spooky Halloween witch on a misty night in a scary forest with a cauldron, eh? Cauldron? Oh, cauldron. There we go. Cauldron filled with modern candies such as, and then let's go to our little script over here. Let's see. Snickers, Kit Kats. Here we go. Copy. And then we'll go back over to X. Such as, right? What do I see from Digital Gods? Voice actor not in danger on this one. Not this year. Yeah, this is the worst it will ever be. Such as Snickers, Kit Kats, Twix, Skittles, Reese's Cups, Mounds. Milky Way. The reason I'm doing this may seem like a pain in the ass. If you don't know it, Twitter, X, Grok, added the Flux 3 image generation to Grok. And one of the things that Elon Musk turned off is the restriction about not using other people's brands. So I'm putting in a pile of brands here because in theory, we should be able to get an image, 16 by 9 wide image, of a witch with all these candies that are mentioned in the poem. So let's generate this. Can we do polls on X or YouTube? Possibly. Well, that's kind of good. I like that. Let's say try again. And make it spookier and use the real packaging. I wonder if they for the candy brands, it's possible that they put some restrictions in place because none of those look like real. Snickers is kind of close. There's Snickers. It's close. Try again and use the real brands and make sure we can see her scary face. All right, I like her a lot. Those are close enough to looking like brands. So let's download this. Save image. All right, downloaded. Is this it? Yes. Okay. So now let's go to HeyGen. Let me make sure. How are we doing over here? Twiddles, lull. Bang. All right, let me just check in with y'all. Weird Witchy from Cedar Hill. I hear Almond Joy is nuts, but Mound don't. Okay, you're making candy jokes. Okay, good. Candy jokes. Cost for Grok. Grok is like $8 a month? Or, I don't know. I think it's $8 a month is the one I'm on. I think I'm on one of the cheap ones. I try to get cheap ones in there. Everyone may want to check the comment toggle to make sure. Okay, got it. All right. Let's see. Taste the rainbow. Very nice. Okay. So I'm sharing everything, right? Yes. So let's go to HeyGen. We're going to go create a video. We're going to create an avatar video. We're going to do landscape. We're going to create a landscape video. We're going to do a photo avatar. We're going to upload our witch. There she is. She's looking great. All right, so while that's doing that, I'm going to stop this screen share. And I'm going to screen share the tab for HeyGen. So it'll look the same, but now you should be able to hear it, even though it's too loud. Oh, and let's see, upload. Okay, there's our witchy witch. Beautiful. Beautiful. I like it. I like it, good people. Now notice it says version 3.0 photo avatar. 3.0 photo avatars adjust facial expressions, voice, and demeanor based on your script. Okay, so that's what it's going to look like. And then we're going to go to the script. And for the script, I'm going to get rid of that script. And we're going to upload an audio file. And the audio file we're going to upload is...
Double toil and trouble.
Beautiful. And then I think we're going to get rid of this. Yeah, that's right. Okay, then we're going to shorten this to match the audio. Bang. All right, so far so good. And then we're going to go submit. And we're going to go Halloween Witch. My videos, 1080p. We're going to not have a HeyGen watermark. And rip. We are making a witch video. Very cool. All right, so we'll come back to this. Let me jump back to this here thingy. All right, cool, right? Questions? You can rewind the stream. Did anyone get Act 1? I don't think I have it. I haven't heard of anyone having it. Runway Act 1. It looks absolutely staggeringly good. So let's just go runwayml.com. Runwayml.com. One thing I noticed, I went to Runway the other day. If you scroll down here, all the tools that they have a ton of tools. Where are they? How do you do it? Wait, you go to the Get Started. This takes you to the app. And like here's all these tools that they have. Gen 3 Alpha image, multi-motion brush, motion tracking, subtitles, transcript, scene detection. And I assume, are these all available via API? I assume they are. Lip sync video. Yeah, that's the old one. That's not Act 1. All right. What am I sharing here? Do we have... Yes, we have a video. Okay. Hold, please. So we're going to add this to the stage. We'll do this one. And then we're going to go back to this. And we're going to go boom. All right. You ready? Here's our video.
Double toil and trouble, cauldrons bubble as pumpkins huddle. 'Tis Halloween in the land of the brave, where Snickers reign and Kit Kats pave. Twix and Skittles fill the air, while Reese's cups lurk everywhere. Mounds of Milky Ways on this spooky eve. Starbursts and Butterfingers, tricks up their sleeve. Beware the almond joy's dark delight, for on this night candy rules the fight.
Nice. I mean, the hat sucks, right? Like the hat physics are pretty bad.
Double toil and
but that's where we are. That's state of the art right now. When Act 1 comes out from Runway, I think that'll get better. Watch for the one animal's mouth. Daisy, oh, good. Okay, watch for the animal's mouth to become the pencil mustache. The scrolling banner makes me think of Anchorman. Oh, that's funny. I can turn that off. There you go. That's pretty funny. That was pretty slick. Let's see. I wonder if there's a way to get it to move the hat. Maybe we'll try DID, d-id.com. Log in. Hang on, I'll be right there. I'm just trying something. Create a video. Okay. So let's share this tab. We're going to unshare that. We're going to share this tab. Boom. All right, that's there. Okay, so now I'm at D-ID. Explore the new avatars page. Create an avatar. Premium Plus. Create an avatar. "30 minutes of creation time. 1 minute of footage required." Oh, okay, so this is a video avatar. This is a photo avatar. Okay, got it. Okay, so we're going to create an avatar. We're going to do standard avatar. Is this our image? Yep, that's our image. Now we're going to go create avatar. Oh no, I guess we go click on this. Use this avatar. We're going to make an avatar video. All right, we're going to, wait, how do we, serious, and then script. Can I upload audio? Upload audio. Downloads.
Double toil and
generate video. Let's go. Anyone seen Kelly Bosch's runway dancing AI videos on LinkedIn? They're amazing, aren't they? Kelly Bosch spoke at the AI Salon talking about her stuff. Failed to generate your video. Why? Something went wrong. Well, what went wrong? Videos. Huh. Use this avatar. Video. Serious face. Fit the image in a wide. Oh, here we go. Script, audio, upload. Maybe 31 seconds is too long. Generate video. Let's go. Pow, pow. Shang-a-dang dang dang. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Kyle just said what I said. What program is he using? I was on D-ID. Yes, that's correct. D-ID. Pretty damn good. Never mind, Kyle just said what I said. Okay, we have a video. Beautiful. So that's pretty cool. It's faster than the other one. Let's see if the hat's better.
Double, double toil and trouble,
Nope.
cauldrons bubble as pumpkins huddle. 'Tis Halloween in the land of the brave, where Snickers reign and Kit Kats pave. Twix and Skittles fill the air, while Reese's cups lurk everywhere. Mounds of Milky Ways on this spooky eve, starbursts and butterfingers, tricks up their sleeve. Beware the almond joy's dark delight, for on this night can
I remove the fucking watermark? DID? Videos.
double, double toil and trouble,
Edit is new. Huh. Well, that sucks. There's got to be a way to kill it. Whatever. Okay. So let's go. We might as well go share that on the Twitter, on the X. We'll do the entire screen. We're going to go bang. We're going to go bang. Is that right? Let's get rid of that. We go that. Beautiful. Go over to the X. And we're going to go home. We're going to go. Okay. Used the new at 11 Labs. What's it called? Voice Designer? Let's see. Voices. Create a new voice. Voice design. Yep. 11 Labs. Voice design, where you can create a new voice style with a prompt, then used at Grok. Oops. To make the witchy and used at DID D-ID. Nope. D-ID to make the video to let's see, to make the animation. We'll go happy early Halloween.
double, double toil and trouble, cauldrons bubble as pumpkins huddle. 'Tis Halloween in the land of the brave, where Snickers
All right, uploading. Beautiful. All right, so that's doing that. All right, that sort of worked. That sort of worked. What do you think, Kyle? You have a good new voice for your cowboy avatar now. Yeah, there we go. So it seems like DID was better. Well, it's still Which one did I use? What was the first one I used? HeyGen. HeyGen, there was more head movement, so it was more apparent that just the middle of the hat was moving. DID, there wasn't as much movement, so it's less apparent that the edges of the hat aren't moving with her. Narrator forever, glad I found you. Very nice. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. Hey, Jen. Thank you, Bob. Yeah, I just had a senior moment there. Fantastic, Bob. Here's my voice designer. We've got voice. All right. Is this uploaded? Error. Result. Error. Can we try again? I wonder. I might need to. Hang on. Let me show you what I'm doing here. Carry you along for the ride. I think I have to go export this as 720p. Hang on. I think it just crapped on us because it was 1080p. Yeah, that's 1080p. Okay. So we're going to export as 720p. And we're going to call it Witchy Poo. Witchy Poo. And I spelled witchy wrong. Witchy Poo. Witchy Poo. Oh, Witchy Poo. All right, let's go get Witchy Poo. Is this? Hang on. Desktop. Witchy Poo. Okay. Desktop. Witchy Poo.
Double.
Open. Okay, uploading. 1. Come on, Twitter. You can do it. Witchy Poo error. Post. %. Come on. You can do it. Come on, Elon. 60. Come on. You can do it. Yay! I didn't expand her image over to the right, so we have a shitty a shitty thing there. Hang on, let's okay, let's go over here.
Milky Way's double toil and trouble, cauldrons bubble as pumpkins huddle. 'Tis Halloween in the land of the brave, where Snickers reign and Kit Kats pave. Twix and Skittles fill the air, while Reese's cups lurk everywhere. Mounds of Milky Ways on this spooky eve, starbursts and Butterfingers, tricks up their sleeve. Beware the all...
I forgot, we've got to give ChatGPT credit for the script. Heads up, a couple of things to keep in mind. Whatever. Okay. To do the voice design, used at ChatGPT to write us a Macbeth style script. Then used Grok to make the witch look pretty. And use D-ID to make the animation. Update. All right, so do me a favor. Go find this. Go to my Kyle Shannon, at Kyle Shannon. Find this little tweet and, go boost that and like it and share it and shit like that. Come on, we got a witch.
Double, double toil and trouble, cauldrons bubble as pumpkins huddle. 'Tis Halloween in the land of the brave, where Snickers reign and Kit Kats pave. Twix and Skittles fill the air, while Reese's cups lurk everywhere. Mounds of Milky Ways on this spooky eve, Starbursts and Butterfingers tricks up their sleeve. Beware the Almond Joy's dark delight, for on this night candy rules the fight. Double, double toil and trouble, cauldrons bubble
right.
as pumpkin.
All right, enough. Enough, lady. Beautiful. 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 Everybody, anyone seen From? I'm hooked. Binging through the episodes. I don't know that. Candy for the kids. X works like a Tesla on autopilot at 3 a.m. Sometimes you're cruising, sometimes you're unsure who's in charge, and occasionally you hit a wall you didn't see coming. Exactly. You know what's stupid about X is, like, sometimes it'll show a preview of the thing that the URL you put in, and sometimes it just doesn't. And it seems like there's no.
'Tis Halloween in the land of the brave,
The fuck
where
is happening?
Snickers reign and Kit Kats pave. Twix and Skittles fill the
Hang
air,
on.
while Reese's cups lurk everywhere. Mounds of Milky Ways on this spooky eve.
Stop. Good Lord. Good Lord. All right. Well, that was fun. Your confused look. Yeah, I know. Like, I didn't click anything. It just went. Her spell is working. Witch's costume is really convincing. All right. Let's wind this up. Any thoughts? Questions? What is your so do me a favor, give me your feedback. Let's look at so we've got 32 people in YouTube. 87 people have come through X. Is anyone on X right now? Oh, I can probably go look at X. Hang on. So if I go to X and I go to my profile, I should be able to see, yeah, this, right? No, this. 86 views. 46 impressions. So we have no way to know how many people are watching this live right now, right? All right, I don't know how to use this. Marge, hey Marge, how do I know how many people are looking at us on the X? The Twitter, the old Twitter. They call it X.com now. I don't know why he changed it. Because he got in there and he fired everyone. He was like, yeah, get out. I guess it was like X, but he got SpaceX. So I think he like X's. He's got one of his kids is named like X, is named after a plane that had an X in it. He likes X's. Anyway, do you know how I see how many people are in the X? All right, because I don't know. Silver Fox is on X, but she's commenting on YouTube. Can't post comments to some destinations, correct. Like, I can say hi to everyone on YouTube. Hi, YouTubers! Exclamation point. All right, so do me a favor. Let's wind this up. If you have not join the AI Salon. So you're going to go to the salon.ai. Hello. Hi. Hey. Hello. Hey. Go there. Go there, there. Go there. And then click on the button that says join our community. If you're new here, this is an amazing community of AI optimists and people that you can learn from and get inspired from and things like that. All right, so go do that. Subscribe here and on X. And then I'm just curious, for those of you that are the irregulars, like, what do you think of the new StreamYard versus TikTok? I wish we could do a poll. I'm thinking tomorrow what I might do, instead of watching the YouTube stream on my phone, right? Because that's what I'm doing here. Maybe I'll put the TikTok stream live, just watching me, like, you know, behind the scenes while I'm doing this. Marina, she recall tech, loves this. After a few days of experimenting, do we have a winning platform? That, well, part of the answer to that is, that's my question to you. Like, do you like this format? Do you like the ability to, you know, have the graphics and screen share and the full widescreen where you can actually see me do, like, huh? Fancy. YouTube again has Bob Donegan's vote. Let's talk in office hours about it. That's a good idea. Oh, yeah. So tomorrow, is he AI Bob? I think so, yes. Pretty sure. We know where to go when TikTok gets bananas. That's a good point. Kyle. Friday night, date night at regular time on TikTok or later. It's probably going to be later tomorrow because Gabby's got, her show is still running and the gallery closes at 9, but we'll probably leave early. But I probably won't be back home until like 8:45. I can see everything now. So Cosmic Lover likes this. I follow you on TikTok and this is definitely better. Okay, great. Narrator forever. Thank you. Much better, Cosmic Lovers. YouTube is better for me. Alas, poor Twix. I knew him well. Horatio. Lord Digital Gods coming in with the heat. I like it. That's solid. That's normally a Silver Fox kind of play. Lord Digital Gods coming in strong with the language play there. I like it. Solid. All right. We missed TikTok, but this is amazing. Okay. This is better. Excited to help mod here. Okay, great. Thanks, Brandon. I'll reach out to mods at some point. I might do it tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow, and I need to do graphics for all these things. Tomorrow, we'll do Friday night date night. We're going to do both TikTok. We're going to do a sort of, oh, you know what I'll maybe do? I think what I'll do, I've got my little, it doesn't matter. I'll have TikTok like just beside my thing here. So you'll be able to see me sort of from an angle on TikTok. And I think what we'll do is we'll just keep pushing people over to the YouTube channel. It's nice here, but you think you may reach more people on TikTok. I don't know. I mean, the thing about TikTok is they like, I wouldn't say I'm shadow banned, but I'm certainly not growing on TikTok. There was a point at which we were consistently hosting about 200 people a night, and that lasted for about a month and a half. And then it dropped down, and now it kind of averages 60. And that's, you know, we're probably at 35 or 40 without really growing the audience in these new channels. So I think we might be able to do both somehow. I don't know. It's a hell of a lot easier to read the comments. It's definitely easier to read the comments. Don't forget 1080p. Yep, I've got to do that tomorrow. You need graphics. You have a band of artists. Yeah, I know. It's true. Okay, so tomorrow. We'll do Friday night date night. We'll be at probably 9 o'clock Mountain Time. Tomorrow at 11 a.m. Mountain Time, I do AI office hours on LinkedIn. So if you go to my LinkedIn, it's at Kyle Shannon on LinkedIn. And you'll see my previous events. It's AI office hours. I've been doing them for like a year. So it's the same URL for all of them. So you can just go get that URL. I'll post a reminder in the morning that AI office hours is there. That's a really fun group. It's a Google Meet, and everybody gets to talk, and it's everyone's doing interesting stuff in that group, and the conversations are usually pretty good. There's a lot of stuff that's happened this week, so I think office hours tomorrow is going to be really interesting. So come to that. I love that we can play with something we've learned the night before here. Very cool, very nice. Love that. Some peeps do both TikTok and this. Yeah, I might be able to get this to stream into TikTok, but that's going to require work, and I don't like that very much. Why AI Learning Lab doesn't have substantial account on TikTok and we follow with no time. I don't quite know what that means. Why AI Learning Lab don't have substantial account on TikTok and will follow with no time. Well, we do have a substantial, like my TikTok channel's got 36,400 followers or something like that. It's not insignificant. It's just TikTok doesn't promote it. The way TikTok works is they kind of like take a sample of what you're doing and they're like, yeah, we'll show it to like 100 people. And then if it doesn't get all sorts of interactions, then they don't show it to anyone else. So part of the challenge is I'm boring as fuck. I'm not shaking my little jiggles, you know? If I were doing more jiggling, a little mankini, you know, pink stripe in the hair, you know, like eyelashes fluttering, selling Madagascar vanilla beans, then I think we'd get some traction. Wait, when you get a second screen, make it a relatively small 4K TV. Trust me, that'll make you happier. That's actually not a bad idea. I like that. All right, cool. I just discovered the little emotes. Oh, cool. I don't know the emotes. Haha, no, you're really good on streams. Thank you very much. I mean, the other thing that we could try, we could experiment with Twitch as well. Like, if we've already invaded, we've already brought the Gen X train into fucking TikTok. We might as well go over to Twitch and have my sons go, Dad, why are you on Twitch? That's weird. It's weird seeing you on Twitch, Dad. Are you doing anything with AI yet? No. Why? No. Hey, you know what's really cool? AI. Yeah, whatever. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yep. Mm-hmm. Yeah. AI's cool. Yeah. Well, you gonna use it? No. Okay. It could completely transform your life, you know. Yeah. Dad, stop. You know, you kind of like I feel, I'm all stressed out. Stop. No, I don't want to think. I'm tired. What I can promise you is my sons will never see this. Anybody got the kids? It's like, you know, when you watched Beavis and Butthead, you were like, well, that's ridiculous. Like, no one actually acts like that. And you're like, oh no, it's worse than Beavis and Butthead. I tried the Timbaland thing today. Awesome, fantastic. Definitely remain on TikTok and just add links to YouTube. You showing us how to take stuff from scratch on ChatGPT and make a songbook, etc. is fun to ask. Basics help us a ton, in my opinion. Thank you. That's cool. Let's invade Twitch just to troll the twins. 31-year-old boy. Really? That's what we're going with? Okay. So I'm gonna get out of here. I don't quite know how to end these now. Like TikTok, I kind of knew all the little shit to do. All right, so tomorrow, oh God, I guess I'll take the afternoon tomorrow and figure out this platform a bit more. I was a little flummoxed at the beginning of this one. I'm also trying to think if I want to add Facebook. I don't know. I don't fucking know, people. I don't fucking know. We'll figure it out. All right, good night, everybody. Tobias is in the house. All right, let's go look at who we got in here. Marina, she recalled tech. Joe Baker's Remedy Report. Nice. Hello. Good to see you. Simply Visual. Night. Good to see you. We got Tobias. We got Bob Donegan. We got Silver Fox, Lori Blair, Daisy Bay. We got M. Chester. Khaki Fitzsimmons in the house. M. Chester. Yas. 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 Hey, Kyle. Yes. Yas. Simply Visual here with a nope. Narrator Forever. Nad, which is Danielle. Hey, Danielle, what's happening? Serena in the house. National Security or Nation Security. Thanks for taking the time to share the knowledge, of course. Lord Digital Gods, thank you so much for everything as always. Khaki Fitzsimmons, Mr. Meaner. Okay. All right. I am going to get out of here. Hope you all had fun tonight. I had a good time. I'm still a little discombobulated because of the new format, but you know, this is the uncomfortableness we gotta endure in life if we're gonna do anything meaningful and reasonable. We come in, we learn, we click on shit, we make a mess. All right. Narrator Forever, we appreciate your time. Joy Purdy in the house. And Joey in the house. All right. Cool. Beautiful. Peace. Hope you had fun. Good night.